Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to Philo First. So, 8 years na ako dito. So,
Okay.
I'm a general nurse in the Philippines and then nag-Kuwait.
Welcome in our Philo Clinic. Tuloy po kayo.
Sa Kuwait.
Po ako galing.
First time Philo?
Ireland is in heaven.
In heaven.
Tapos nagka-slide lang naman po siya. Wala.
Sorry.
I'm so proud na I'm a Filipino.
We plan this one na magkakaroon ng Pilipinong pagkain dito kasi we promote. Kasi alam mo naman yung Pilipino na pagkain is all over the world. Is talagang tinatangkilik hindi lang Pilipino, kundi sa lahat ng mga iba't ibang lahi.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Balin College dito sa County Cork para bisitahin ang aming friends na may bagong bukas na clinic. So na-feature ko na sila before sa previous vlogs, twice na. Pero ngayon meron silang bagong bubuksan na clinic this week and bibisitahin natin yung clinic.
Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to Philo First.
Pwede ba kayo pumasok?
Oh yeah, welcome Boyet. Thanks for coming. I'm Nurse Tin.
Thank you for welcoming us here. So Tin, what is Philo First?
So we already have the Philo that's been for 4 years now, and now this is our Philo First. We're going back to basics actually because we started very advanced. So this is your first step in your skin journey.
Bagong clinic ito, Tin.
So yes, very fresh. We call it Philo First. First of your everything. If you don't know about skincare, you want to be like guided. And of course, our Philo Glow facials. In 4 years, it's 17,000. So that's our best-selling facials. It's 14 steps. Usually it's 135, but if you're watching this vlog and you're following Nurse Ventura, just mention it in the reception and it will just be 99 euros.
So, Tin, para sa mga di nakakilala, sino ba si Tin?
Yes.
Saan galing si Tin?
So 8 years na ako dito. So
Okay.
I'm a general nurse in the Philippines and then nag-Kuwait kasi Middle East is the easiest way. So nag-Kuwait ako, aesthetic nurse for like 10 years.
Okay.
And then nag-move dito sa Ireland and then kinuha ako as dependent ng asawa ko. And
Okay.
then I was intellectual disability nurse pa.
For how long?
3 years.
Okay.
And then sabi ko, I want to continue my aesthetic nursing. I have the knowledge, the skills.
So, nag-open kayo ng Philo Clinic back in
4 years ago.
4 years ago. Na nandito lang din sa Balin College.
Yes.
The magic begins in the rooms. So the Philo Clinic is known for the arches. Diyan kami kilala sa mga arches. So I'd like you to take a peek at the rooms. Normally, pag mga skin clinic, it's just a white wall, white ceiling. But in the Philo Clinic, we really invested in how you would feel when you come into the clinic. So ito ang room. This is not even fully furnished, but as you can see, it's very cozy, very relaxing.
Very welcoming,
This is what you will see. When you're lying here on the bed, this is what you will see. A very detailed ceiling design. So dito natin gagawin yung facials mo, yung laser hair removal mo, and other treatments. We have 4 rooms. Tatlong room is mainly for the glow facial and one is for laser hair removal. In the Philo Clinic, yung pinakaunang clinic, the medical aspect of the Philo brand, doon we have 6 rooms, and that's where you will get your skin analysis, your doctor's consultation, nurse's consultation, and all the very, very advanced lasers.
We really believe na we want to start not substandard. We want everyone to be wow kasi gawang Pinoy. This is Filipino-owned. So, ganun yung pinaglalaban namin.
Nakaka-proud, di ba?
Yes. We can excel and we can be edgy, Come in. This is one of our beautiful rooms.
So, ano to, Tin, magiging
Look at the
siya?
ceiling muna.
Wow. Very relaxing, no? Very modern, kind of
Yes.
Japan-y. Ganda, no? So, Tin, ito na ba yung final yung venture? Or meron pa bang mga
Oh my
on the
God!
works?
So, Nurse Ventura is the first sneak peek. And soon, you will follow him kasi siya na naman yung pinaka-first for our salon and our massage. Actually, our massage, existing na. So, full body massage, like deep tissue, ang galing ni ate, like Filipino way again. In Kuwait, like trainer siya ng lahat ng mga nationality. So, it's 1 hour deep tissue massage for 99 euro. And if you're watching this video with Nurse Ventura, it's free cupping or like free ventosa or free hot stone.
After pakita nila natin yung Philo first, dito muna tayo sa Philo Clinic kasi magpapa-facial tayo guys. Again, nandito siya sa may Ballincollig Cork. Guys, kasama natin si Ate Tisay.
Hello.
Isa siya sa mga
Massage therapy.
massage therapist dito sa...
Scalp
Say
massage. Hello.
Yan, galing pa siya sa ano? Saan ka galing, Ate Tisay?
Sa Kuwait po ako galing. Yes po.
Ilang
12 years. Oh, welcome in our Philo Clinic. Tuloy po kayo. Yes, this is our receptionist,
Hello.
Sophia.
Hi, Sophia. Are you okay to be in the camera?
Yeah.
Hi.
Good. How are you?
I'm good.
First time Philo?
No, this is our second time, third time. Nice to meet you, Sophia.
Okay naman.
Kamusta ang boy dito sa Ireland?
Ay, sabi nga ng European people na kliyente ko sa Kuwait, Ireland is in heaven.
In heaven. Bakit in heaven?
Kasi nga ang gaganda ng mga dito tanawin. Grabe.
Okay.
As in, talagang relax ang mo dito. Mind. Peace of mind ka talaga dito.
And magpapa-facial tayo with Miss Ira. Miss Ira. So, shy type siya, hindi siya magpapa-video. Pero, ito yung clinic nila pala. Ito. Hello, nag-vlog na tayo dito before. Ira, anong to? Klaseng facial?
Facial glow po. Yung 14
Face-
steps. So, double cleansing po muna tayo.
Taga saan ka, Ira?
Taga po, Cebu.
So, nurse ka sa atin sa Philippines?
Yes po.
RN ka? Nice. Kamusta yung life in Ireland?
Ito naman po, mabait yung mga tao. Delic acid po. Good for skin brightening po siya. Toner po, strong toner lang po tayo. Tapos bigyan po kita ng fan para po sa chemical peel.
Ba't kailangan na fan? Kasi medyo...
Mahapdi po. So, depende po sa sensitivity po ng skin niya. Ito po yung peeling max, chemical peels. So,
Okay.
yan. We're putting back the vitamins into your skin. Tapos nagka-slide lang naman po siya. Wala talaga tong needles. Or microdermabrasion na po tayo.
Ito yung magagawin sa inyo. Pag punta kayo sa Philo first, ito yung isa sa mga services nila. So, yan, pinapakita na natin.
Tapos mag-hydrate po tayo with hyaluronic acid.
Cool. So, ito yung masarap.
Final mask po tayo, oxygen face mask. So, para po tong bubbles na pop-up. Very good for hydration. We did it for around 10 minutes pa po yan.
Last step na, guys.
With vitamin F. Okay na, we're finished!
Tapos na tayo magpa-facial kay Miss Ira. Ngayon naman,
Yes.
sige, buksan na natin ang...
Welcome. And
Buksan.
how
Ay,
massage?
madilim.
Madilim. Diba?
Actually guys, magpapamassage dapat tayo kasi wala tayong time. So, si ate ay ikakrack tayo. So, ayan, nandito tayo with Ate Tisay. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang tayo kasi puro Pilipino dito.
Sana ulang katawan. Parang lang siya. Katawan ni Piolo Pascual. Char.
Aray!
Nagre-wrestling lang kami dito.
Grabe to. Ayun, tunog. Yun nga, dapat Ayan, si Ate Tisay. Ang sarap ng masahe niya. Actually, hindi pala ito masahe.
Relaxing.
Hindi siya-
Shwedis lang sa inyo. Relax mo lang siya, Besh.
Nakakatakot ba kung may mautot sa'yo?
Uy, laging nauututan ako
As
dito.
in?
Hindi mo alam. Diba? Hawak ka sa
Sa
akin.
legs?
Yan.
Ito.
Diba, mautot ka rin. Ang lang yan, warm up lang yan.
Alam mo, sayang na wala tayong time kasi sobrang galing pala ni Ate Tisay. Talagang napaano ako.
Diba?
Thank you, Ate.
Balik kayo dito, ha?
Balik kami
Magpa-full body na massage
for
talaga.
full body. Oo.
Yes.
Tanong natin, ano yung mga services ni Ate Tisay?
Well, from now, we have spa massage, hot stone massage.
Mm-mm.
Kayong combination massage muna.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Bye!
Our YouTube.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah. Yeah. Mars Victoria. Okay.
Our lovely Sophie. Nice meeting you, Sophie. Bye.
Feeling fresh na si vlogger.
Feeling fresh dito sa Filo. Grabe.
Yes.
Grabe guys, si Ate Tisay. Hindi ko kinaya.
Philo First will be officially open this Saturday, July 18. And then the week after, we will start receiving bookings. Pero you're more than welcome to come to the Philo Clinic as well kasi it's always open. Hindi niyo na kailangang umuwi ng Pilipinas para magpaganda. We are known to be honest. We're known to set the right expectations kung ano ang pwede mong ma-achieve at hindi yung bola-bola lang. Dito, walk-ins are welcome. We will try and accommodate everybody. Apat naman ang rooms. And then you can also actually book the whole place for a birthday party, for a debut party, for a 50th party. We can close out the whole clinic just for you. And then we can also cater some of your drinks, some of your food. Kasi that's another concept of the clinic. It's like a facial party.
Damay nyo na rin yung
Self-investment, self-care is the best investment that you will get. If you take care of yourself, you can take care of everyone.
Wow.
We'll invite everyone for our grand opening this July 18, Saturday at 4 p.m. So you can pop up for a celebration. After that, like normal days, we're open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Here in Cork, Ballincollig, it's just in the main street. You can follow our Instagram, the Philo Clinic, or in Facebook, Philo Advanced Skin and Laser Clinic.
Thank you so
Yes.
much for inviting
I'm so
us.
proud na I'm a Filipino. I'm so proud na I'm a nurse din. And I'm so proud na nandito ako sa God bless Ireland. Of course, salamat sa ating Panginoon. Like,
After ng Philo, diretso na dito sa Mayumi.
Actually, ang balak namin gumawa ng day trip. Magpapa-facial ka, papa-massage ka, kakain ka sa Mayumi.
Hi, I'm
Okay
Casey. I just recently arrived here in Ireland
Ay,
2
English
weeks
to.
ago. So far, it's been sunny. Pero masaya dito sa Ireland.
I'm Chef Jobert Cañedo, originally from Negros Occidental, from San Carlos City. We plan this one na magkakaroon ng Pilipinong pagkain dito kasi we promote. Kasi alam mo naman yung Pilipino nga pagkain is all over the world. Is talagang tinatangkilik hindi lang Pilipino, kundi sa lahat ng mga iba't ibang lahi.